This is the mini JCW Countryman All4, the fastest and the most powerful mini you can buy right now. But as you can see, in terms of dimension, it's a Countryman, so it's not mini, literally. And we are going to be driving today all around the BIC. So we are going to put it through a lot of performance tests, and we are going to tell you whether you should buy this if you're out there looking for a comfortable yet performance-oriented mini or not. Now, talking about the design of this car, you can see beneath all of this sporty things, the design elements you see, there is a Countryman somewhere in there. But what really makes it stand out is the fact that you've got this blacked out grille here, a checkered pattern here, of course the color scheme, then the red decals, and of course when you look at the roof, again contrasting in terms of shade, a spoiler at the back. This is the accessorized version, so you get 20-inch separate alloy wheels, but otherwise you'll get 19-inch alloy wheels and slick looking tail lamps. When you put it all together, basically a Countryman, but basically it's been jacked up in, sort of like a sports injection, and as a result of that, it just looks faster, it looks a lot more dynamic and desirable. Now, once you get inside the cabin of this car, you instantly are wowed by the amount of funky design materials all around. Now, I really like this dashboard. Fabric finish looks nice, sustainable, and then this red pattern, it just goes well with the sporty positioning of the car. Beyond that, of course, you've got the very familiar mini infotainment screen here. Circular, looks really nice, cool, and the display quality is very good. Even the touch response is nice. Again, in terms of ignition and the drive selector, you've got these funky looking buttons here, a nice chunky steering wheel, a heads-up display here, nice panoramic sunroof, good amount of clearance in terms of headroom. The seats themselves are very comfortable, electrically adjustable, very nice side support, which is very important for a car which you are going to be driving fast around corners. And of course, since it is a Countryman, when you get into the back seat, unlike other mini cars which are smaller, here you are not cramped for space. So in terms of knee room, in terms of leg room, and in terms of headroom, you get a decent amount of space. Now keep in mind, this is just a first drive. We're not doing a proper review, so I'm not going to be going into the details of every feature and seating comfort. The focus today is going to be on the driving part. So let's have some more fun and let's head out to the track. Alright, talking about the driving experience, well, this 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine is putting out 300 horsepower, 400 Newton meters of torque, and all-wheel drive. And around the track, the way, well, I've been pushing her around, and the grip is really nice. Can get a bit of understeer when you push it really hard. You do tend to get some understeer closer to the limit, but that's something that happens with all-wheel drive vehicles, so no surprises there. But beyond that, I think the handling is just amazing. The grip from the tires, the mechanical stability of the chassis is all so good, and the way the engine spools up, the way you get the power delivery going, it's all really nice. It doesn't come in one force in one go, but instead you get a nice strong wave of power that you are riding. And you have the boost function, so you keep the left paddle shifter pressed and you get a 10-second boost for additional power. That is really fun on the long straight. And of course, when it comes to the sound, listen, well, the exhaust is really nice, the air intake sound is good, and that's exactly what you want in a performance car. You want it to sound good, sound loud, and this is both. It's loud and nice. That's what I'm talking about. And those pops and crackles. So yes, overall I think a great car to drive. In fact, if you're looking at a car that is comfortable for 4 occupants, you can do your daily runabouts, you can do a nice, you know, you want to go to the ghat section, have fun, this is all set for that. But on that one day when you want to take it to the track and have fun, this is all up for that action as well. So yes, best of both worlds pretty much, I'd say. And as I drive it around the track right now, I do not know the pricing, but let's see. In a few hours from now we should get the pricing, and basis that we'll let you know what we think of the price. But as of now, I think it's a fantastic vehicle to drive. And if you want a performance car without compromising space, comfort, feature, you want all the practicality, you want the family usage, but you do not want to miss out on performance, handling, sound, any of these aspects, this is a great pick for you right now.